Safetrade 247. I'd like to introduce you to one of our best selling products, the KDC portable store. Available in 4 different sizes, we are bound to have one suitable for your needs. Delivering in flat pack form allows us to minimise delivery costs both UK and worldwide. We can deliver anywhere mainland England and Wales for £195 per store and anywhere mainland Scotland for £195 per store. On ordering, please select if you would like us to offload the store for you. We can do this free of charge. Our stores can be easily erected by 2 persons in under an hour. Our easy to follow assembly instructions will guide you through the process. As you can see, each store comes as standard with 2 tamper-proof locks which are both anti-snap and anti-pick. The complete range of stores are also certified by the UK Locksmith Association. Assembled, the stores can be lifted through the use of the lifting eyes and also through the forklift pockets, which obviously are a unique selling point for these range of stores in the UK. However, they are for self-weight only. All stores are wind and water tight, but are ventilated to stop sweating like normal shipping containers. All stores come with integrated gutters and allow for water to run off. As an optional extra, you can have the stores fitted with shelving. They come in 2 different sizes, 1 metre and 1.9 metre lengths, and can be configured to suit your needs. All our stores are supplied galvanised and then powder coated, either green or blue as standard, however other special colours are available on request. Being flat pack, they are easily handled in sections and thus can be transported through alleyways and pathways very easily. Thanks for listening, and remember, KDC Portable Stores, invest in the best.